Same. And then you want to take partials in the nearest place. So let's see what happens. We can do this from a structural point. Well, yeah, this could be our first partial 1 to 2.6 with 3.8 pip stop loss, or it's just oh shit, it's so hot. Or you can, yeah, or you can partial here, which I'm sure it will sweep at least this. If this is the strong high, that's gonna cause the whole move. Then then this could be the mitigation, as there's still imbalance within this. Oh no. There's still imbalance within this. And this broke structure. So from my understanding, this high should be swept, right? So this could be our first partial. And the second partial is, if you want, could be here, to hope that if you're scared that this POI will hold, and third partial on the liquidity buildup on higher time frame. Okay, so what did HL do again? We manipulated people up. This could be the second manipulation, even though it's not a kill zone anymore. But yeah, we'll see. So let's just play it. Looks good. Okay. Okay, does not look good. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see. All right. Oh, someone can't join us. Let me check. Okay. So, what was it? There, I don't see a reason for price to mitigate this low. But oh, okay, that's good. They're just gonna hold, no partials, no break even. Okay, this does not look good. I think we might even sweep this liquidity lower and then look for buys. Like here, like from this 5-minute OB. But we'll see. So if price does not hold, we'll buy from here. Yeah, okay. So yeah, so the price was inefficient in the end on here. There should be an order block or at least imbalance within this, and price just okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure if I should count this as a stop loss. Oh, yeah, it is a stop loss actually.
Recording in progress.
Like what the hell? Okay, so that's the first. Oh, okay, I'm gonna mute you, bro. Okay. What the hell is that? Okay, so we hit stop loss. What happens? Let's see. Okay, let's see if there's a re-entry. Let's okay, wait. Let's just do this. And let's check the whole range. What is the pricing from the range? Yeah, it's still in pretty cheap pricing. And now, is there any imbalance within this? There's 1 minute lit right here. There's this huge imbalance on 1 minute right here. And then, yeah, and which was never filled. And then if you check this, so let's mark a structure. You broke structure again. So this might be an SNC trap as well. You don't want to buy from the last structural point At least on lower time frame. On higher time frame, it's fine. Well, you just want to see every single structural point like this as an SNC trap. Okay, and it keeps breaking higher. Okay, okay. So I don't think there was any possible reentry. Hmm. Okay. Nothing. It did make a fake choke. But what would price react from? This? Well, it made equals. So let's just assume that, yeah, that's gonna be swept. Now we are filling this imbalance, but I don't think this high is gonna hold. Asian 15. So, yeah. So New York open soon. And New York might give us the reaction that we need. The reversal that we need. Or it might just continue higher and take out the whole structural point on higher time frame. So let's play this out. Yep. Normally this would be an okay buy, but the pricing is too bad. So it has a good chance to just dip down, into this point. And these mitigations were pretty deep for me. So that's why, but this whole thing is a build-up, obviously. Yeah. Nothing happening. No sign of reversal. We are just inducing sellers, like this was the first place before reaching the liquidity, obviously. Okay. Then this would be a stop hunt, and again it's below liquidity, so we don't take it yet. This is our POI on higher time frame. You wanna trade from. This would be another inducement. You see how people, SNC people will get smoked here many times in a row. And then we top. Oh, is this top legit? Yeah, okay, it's not. Okay, and then we clear the liquidity in the end. So what time is it? Let me check. 25. Subprints. Wait. Oh, okay. So let me go to 5 minutes and check the liquidity again. Yeah, it's a bit higher. Oh, yeah, it's a bit higher. Yeah. Oh. So we did not really bad. We'll wait for the final push. Yeah. Okay. So we did have a liquidity sweep. And then we engulf down. Okay. Now, what do you want to see before entering this trade? We can see an internal or external break of structure as our confirmation. That's one thing. Or you can just enter on lit point or however you like. This all seems fine to me. What was the last structural point? Yeah. And if you want to trade break of structures, then you want to use external structure. Because on internal, I mean, you can normally, if this was live market, I would hesitate to enter here on the engulfing. But yeah, or we can just, yeah, this seems fine though. We can just take a trade here. And let me check what it reacted from on 1 minute. Okay, and it reacted from its POI of this SND zone. You might as well just want to refine it, and it makes complete sense, no? Yeah. So this is what's happening, and we mitigated even, let's see, 50% of it, which should make it efficient. Okay, we did not. We'll have a bigger stop loss then. Okay. Wait, what? Okay. So let me check this real quick. Okay, this is 4 pip stop loss. This is super fine, bro. 4 pip. If you wanna play risky, then this, because this should be the POI that it reacts from. But price is not efficient yet. You see, this is the 50%. Hit Alt R. No, it doesn't work. So this is the setup of the day. And you have news coming in 30 minutes. Yep. Alt F4. Yeah, I'm not gonna try it, guys, because I feel like you guys wanna prank me. Okay. The price is reacting off here. Right click. Okay. Yeah, I already got pranked today. So chill, guys. Okay, so what? Okay, wait. Let's just play this first. Okay, we mitigated. And now we break structure. Okay. And we might mitigate something. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Yeah, so we would have hit a stop loss here. We didn't have this one bigger. But yeah, the inefficiency and the efficiency of buy to sell zones and sell to buy are super powerful when it comes to this. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Wow. And now you can target this as your first partial, so which is 1 to 3, or you can target the lows here, and you can target this whole higher time frame build up. And this is the swing trade, I think, because Jew is same as EU. I'm not sure if it's this day. Well, everything seems like it's lining up. We have New York open. Oh, that's why. Okay. So we had New York open, which caused this manipulation. Okay. I would have been cautious if I saw this. I forgot. But now everything seems fine. We mitigated 50%. We clear all this liquidity. Timing is lining up with us. New York. This was the New York kill zone, right? So let's just New York open. And this would just be the continuation of the kill zone. Started with manipulation up. And the first move of the market in the session, after the session open, generally is a manipulation to induce people to the wrong direction. Wait, there's 12 people. Okay, wow. Let me just, yeah, let's do this. And if you missed the first trade, you can just hop on mitigation now and do a simple SNC trick. So you can just take mitigation, for example, like this. And there should even be oh no, there's only this imbalance on higher time frame. Should already mitigated, so you can try this and put stop loss above the high. This high should be safe now, which is like 5 pips stop loss. And by the way, this is how I normally trade, okay? With huge stop losses. I don't do 1 pip stop losses normally. That's just for flexing, but the win ratio with tight stop losses is really bad. Yeah, and we just mitigated. This was the original idea. Just use mitigation and see. And now we can keep rolling down. Yeah, 13th of September. Yeah, and then it even sub this slit, but I'm not gonna scale in more orders. Yeah, let's see here. There's something. This tap into nothing, actually. And there's still imbalance within this small thingy. Then this whole week would be a valid POI. We set liquidity. There's imbalance within this. Yeah, we tap into this imbalance. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. And sub even the highs. Wow. Oh, this is before news. This is 1 minute before news and the full release. Oh no, that's my line. Okay, my bad. Wow, okay. That was a heart attack. And yeah, so this was the day. 1 to 10. Almost bring by myself. Yeah, and yeah, okay. Now I remember what this day was, and I also took a sell here. Old members know that I took a sell on EU as well. And I think it just went down. And you can use the higher time frame to find your targets. Oh, what the hell? Okay, I didn't mean this guy, but we can try even this. But pride might just yeah, that's how you trade news. Like you see how many confluence you had there. You had weekly cycle with you had higher time frame, you had higher time frame imbalance. Then you had the whole session for consolidation. So yeah. Yeah. No. Usually I enter on news like before the release, but this time or on NFP last week I entered on the I wanted to ping pong buy like this, you know, and the server just froze and it bought like when the price went up, and I couldn't close it, and I closed it like in 50 pip 50 pip drawdown. Yeah, and it's insane. Okay, what the hell is this line though? Oh, it's this liquidity. Okay. And that's the trade for today. And just with this, you can leave the charts. Enjoy your day. Let's just see what price does. There's a possible re-entry. Okay, so we mitigated pretty much nothing. We just cleared imbalance. And price is clearly too bearish to take buys, obviously. So if you miss the whole thingy, then you wanna look for buys. And then what's the nearest place? So if you look at a structural point again, point of view, this would be your external structure, right? And so any structure in between should be liquidity. Is not 100% of the time. Otherwise, nobody would get induced and there would be no liquidity. But yeah, this guy seems good. Yeah, so we just broke the structure. So that's why I'm not trusting this guy yet. Yeah, and it's subted, you see? Yeah, so just from this would be your OB, POI. There shouldn't be too much of imbalance, except for this guy. So if you're scared, you can put your buy limit like here, but let's just market execute this, and your stop loss would be the first buy to sell or sell to buy below the high time frame imbalance. So let's say on 2 minutes. Yeah, so on 2 minutes, this would be your imbalance, right? That's what I mean by high time frame imbalance. Yeah, but we saw prices shoot up. First partial right here. This would be internal structure on 3 minutes. Get swept, partials taken. And just to make sure, you wanna TP here, right? Yeah, because this low broke the structure, and which is an obvious target for buys, but anything above it, it's unsure. Yeah, and I see the reaction. Price might just head lower from that point. Or is it trying to fill? No. No, it just took the smart money trap. And then tap to the OB. And yeah. So so that was perfect TP. 1 to 2, that's 2R. And I think price just building up liquidity here. And if it is, so if you go to 3 minutes, you'll see it clearly, or 2 minutes. Then this should be protected, right? If price building up liquidity even after stripping this. So that means that there's a buy side liquidity, a sell side liquidity even lower than this. And what will happen is that price will keep building up as a sweep the sell side, and then after stripping it, this could become your liquidity, but it's protected for now, or should be. And this is how I used to trade trend lines, like trend lines with SMC combined. But yeah, let's see. So this too late already for me to trade. So today's backtesting session was really slow, with not too many trades. Yeah, but it is what it is. Yeah, look, price sweeps something. Oh, it could even be this. And after that, price has a reason to go higher. Yeah, okay. Yeah. And now, after sweeping this, you are taking this, you're a possible next target for buy side liquidity on higher time frame, and you can just look for 15-minute or even 5-minute. Let's see. And then you see price swap this major sell side liquidity, and now it will look for the nearest major buy side liquidity again. In our sweeping, it will look for the major sell side. So we'll do something like this: sweep, sweep, this, and then during this we'll have a buy side again. Price will sweep this, continue lower, and it's just how the market works, right? Just from one liquidity pool to another one. So I'm not gonna backtest anymore. We'll just skip this one and we'll call it a day. Oh, okay. And it's up even again. Was it this guy? No. Okay, that's weird. Yeah, but it's just because it's a previous day low. No, it's not. Previous day low was this, which was already subbed. So it's just Asian low. Yeah, well, whatever. But why? Oh, and it's up again. Okay. So now it's up this. Oh, is it reacting off of this? That would, okay, that would be weird though. Yeah, okay, so this I never got subbed. Happens. Yeah, so it was this guy actually. Well, oh, at least you see you can't predict the future really. Yeah, okay. So do you have any questions regards the trades? By the way, this was during during Frankfurt. So this whole move down was a manipulation, and you just don't want to buy against it. That's how you don't get stopped out here. And then after the first break of structure, you wanna wait. You wanna go for a trade. So this would be your first break of structure on external, and from that you can start working your way up. Well, okay. So do you have any questions? I'm so sorry. I'm too tired today. The fuck did I do? Wait, what? Okay, so I guess no questions. And what was it? Alt F4? No, Alt F4 is leaving the page. Who was it? Who was the prankster? TD? Oh my god, okay. Okay, so have a nice day. I'll post the recording on Telegram again, and we'll have another one tomorrow. Hopefully we'll choose a more active day, because this day was untradeable almost. There's 2 trade, 1 hit, 1 stop loss. But yeah, okay, have a nice day.